In this video, we're going to see how we can download and set up Python for a proper development environment. Before we start coding in Python, we need to navigate to python.org, download it, install it, add it to path, and testing it. The objectives of these videos is to download Python, install it, and verify that it's working. Start first by opening your browser. Navigate to python.org. Click on download, and right now it's version 3.10.6. However, in the future it might be different. Click on download and wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, open it. Proceed to install it. Make sure to add Python to path. Click on install now. Once that step is completed, you can verify that Python is installed by launching a command prompt and typing Python version, and you should have it.